Imagine the person you want to become a year from now, calmer, wiser, more focused. This future you wakes up with purpose, takes steady steps toward their goals and lives with intention. What if you had a guide to help you get there? That guide is artificial intelligence, AI. AI isn't here to replace you, but to unlock your potential. Think of it as a wise friend, helping you organize your thoughts and clarify your feelings. Technology often distracts us, but what if AI could bring us closer to our true selves? The journey to your best self starts with a single step, the decision to grow. Many of us feel overwhelmed by big dreams, unsure where to start. AI can break those dreams into small, manageable actions and help you create a roadmap. Imagine asking AI, how can I become more patient? It can suggest daily exercises, books, and track your progress. It's like having a personal coach in your pocket, always ready to help. Let's see AI as an ally, a tool for living with more purpose and joy. Your future self isn't a fantasy, it's a reality you can create. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to explore. Let's take the first step together and see how AI can help you design a life you love. Your future self isn't a stranger, it's you, with better systems and clearer focus. They don't have more hours or more talent, they use what they have more wisely. The difference is intention and a good plan, not luck or personality. This is where AI shines. How much time do you spend feeling disorganized? AI can help you build the systems your future self uses. Ask AI to help you create a daily schedule or prioritize tasks so you're productive, not just busy. Your future self protects their energy. AI can help you track when you're most creative and remind you to rest. It doesn't give you more energy but helps you use it smarter. Let go of the idea that you need to become someone else. You already have what you need. AI is a tool to unlock your power. It's like a magnifying glass, helping you see your strengths and patterns more clearly. AI helps you see the path forward. Your future self is you, amplified. Use AI to become the best version of yourself. The journey starts now. How can you use AI today? Think of it as your personal coach. For goals, tell AI your dream, like writing a book. It'll break it into small, actionable steps. Learning, AI can be your tutor, creating personalized plans for languages or complex topics. Ask it to explain things simply or recommend resources tailored to you. Journaling, AI can give you prompts, help you reflect, and even spot patterns in your thoughts. It's a safe space to explore your inner world. For habits, AI can be your accountability partner. Tell it, I want to meditate daily. It'll remind you, track your progress, and celebrate your wins. Seeing your streaks grow is motivating, consistency is key, and AI helps you stay on track. Use AI to make learning, reflection, and habit building easier. It's about small steps every day. Let AI help you grow, one action at a time. Your future self is built on today's choices. Start now. AI can be more than a planner. It can be a mirror for your thoughts and emotions. We all have stories we tell ourselves, sometimes holding us back. AI can help you see these stories and start to rewrite them. Feeling anxious? Share your worries with AI. It can respond with empathy and guide you to small, actionable steps. Over time, these conversations reveal patterns in your thinking. Ask AI to analyze your worries and highlight common themes. Awareness is the first step to change. AI helps you become the author of your own story. Growth isn't just about goals, it's about understanding who you're becoming. Look back at your progress and see how much you've changed. AI shows you the journey, not just the destination. Getting started with AI is simple. You just need curiosity. Choose a friendly AI chatbot or app and start a conversation. Ask deep, meaningful questions, not just, what should I do today? For example, how can I feel more connected to my family? Or, what small steps can I take to be healthier? The better your questions, the better the guidance. Use AI to clarify your goals and track your progress. Check in regularly and let AI log your achievements. Review your journey each month. Ask AI where you've grown most. Small daily efforts add up to big changes. Your future is built one thoughtful question at a time. Start today. Technology isn't just for productivity, it can help you find meaning. Your purpose isn't outside you, it's something you uncover within. AI can help you explore your strengths, passions, and how you can serve others. Have deep conversations with AI about what matters to you. Ask, What are my strengths? Or, how can I make a positive impact? AI can help you connect your interests and brainstorm new possibilities. Use AI as a compass for your heart, not just your calendar. Don't wait. Ask AI about your dreams, fears, and purpose. Your future self is waiting for you to become more you. Let AI guide you on your journey of self-discovery.